Hello everybody, in this video I'll be showing you how to configure a setting in your Microsoft Defender to enable email forwarding from a shared mailbox. So if you get this error message, remote server return, access denied, your organization does not allow external forwarding, please contact the administrator for further assistance. So basically I'm trying to forward an email address that is in my Exchange mailbox to an external email address, and this message comes up. So the solution is to go to your Microsoft Defender, go to the dashboard. So let me show you how to do that. Microsoft Defender account, so you've got to go to security.microsoft.com, log in. Then on the left hand side here, there's the menu. Click on Show Navigation. Then you can go to Email and Collaboration, Policies and Rules, Thread Policies, Anti-Spam, you see here Anti-Spam Outbound Policy. Just click on this. The default here is for automatic forwarding to automatic system control. You need to be able to change that to on forwarding is enabled, and then press save. Once you have that enabled, then you'll be able to have your mailboxes forward to an external email address. Close this. Shows here that on forwarding is enabled. So now we should be able to send and forward an email from your mailbox to an external email address. Let's give that a try. If this video helped, please give a like and subscribe to the channel.